Yeah, my name is Olalekan Odusanwo. I'm a Nigerian American, and I support Arsenal Football Club. I think if I could remember, it's way back in 1996. That I became an Arsenal fan. Due to the love I have for Dennis Beckham and what's it called? Patrick Vieira. Though Dennis Beckham was still playing for Ajax then with the likes of Kanu Wako, George Finidi and co. But I have this friend in London. He's like my uncle. So he's an Arsenal supporter. So he always tell me a lot about Arsenal. So when they brought Arsene Wenger in 1996, he's a good coach. He's going to turn things around, this, that. So that's how I became an Arsenal fan. I've been, supporting them bit by bit, but not really until 1999 when they signed Kanu Wako. That's when I completely fell in love with Arsenal. Number one, I will choose Dennis Beckham. To me, is the most intelligent footballer I've ever seen in my lifetime. Though you might not really won the award of the what's it called, world best player then, but it is very, very intelligent. He can do anything with the ball. Very dangerous player, Dennis Beckham. Then secondly I'll pick Thierry Henry, because of his goal scoring skills. Because then I was really an Arsenal fan, and I have all these Manchester United friends around when we were still together in Surulere. Then they just have this natural hatred for Henry, because you know why? Because Thierry Henry, when he came to Arsenal, he started benching Kanu Wako. But due to sentiment that Kanu Wako is a Nigerian, everybody want to see Kanu Wako to play ahead of Henry. But if you look at the goal scoring ability of Henry, you will see that you can't compare it with Kanu Wako. Kanu Wako is a good striker, is a deadly player. He can do anything with the ball as well. But when it comes to scoring ability, you can't compare the pace of Henry, his scoring ability with Kanu. So that's why, I would choose Thierry Henry as one of my all-time player. And number third, well, many people might not go with me, but I have right to my own opinion. The third Arsenal player that I will choose is Vasiriki Abudiabi. It's very unfortunate that injury ruined his career. It's in fact, if you can Google it, you'll see that even though Rio Ferdinand of Manchester United mentioned it one time, that he has never seen a talented midfielder like that in his lifetime, if not for injury. He's one of the best midfielder I've ever seen. But injury, too much of injury ruined his career. So he's a very good player. Anytime I see him playing, wearing Arsenal shirt, playing in that midfield, I'm always excited. So that's why I'll pick him. Well, right now, I think the improvement we need in Arsenal now is the striking force. The striking force, at least we need two new striker. The one that can score half chance, and another striker that can dribble by defender and just make things happen. And again, in our midfield, we have Xhaka, we have Partey, we have Odegaard. We need another creative, a creative midfielder like Thomas Rosicky. We give a balance to the team. No. That's not gonna be possible. Arsenal give me excitement. So what is $10,000? Why will I stop supporting Arsenal because of $10,000? No, that is not gonna work. And nothing. If you are a dire fan, you are a dire fan. I remember I used to put on one jersey when I was in Obafemi Awolowo University then. what I wrote from at the back of the jersey is Arsenal till I die. So if Arsenal goes to relegation, yeah, we go together. We die there. It is possible this season. It is possible this season. It depends. Though we are having issue, because if you notice this year, this 2022, we only scored 1 goal on the 1st of January against Manchester City. After that, we haven't scored any goal at all. So if you notice, we are really having problem in our attack. And I still keep saying, a lot of people might not agree with me, but I keep saying it. Fine. What's it called? What's the name of this young Brazilian boy? Martinelli might not be a natural striker that put the ball into the net. Fine, he's playing fine from the left wing now, but this is a chance for him now that Aubameyang has moved to Barcelona. Now we are short of attacker. This is a chance. If I were Arteta, in some cases when he play from the left and is finding difficulties from that left, I will bring in Pepe, to play from that left and draft Martinelli inside the box. Is a deadly. Martinelli can create half chance and make things happen. I still keep saying it. I watch Martinelli very well under Unai Emery. Half chance, he will score. That is one thing I know about him. So they should try it, and they should try Martinelli off from there, and keep working hard. Maybe we can see maybe we can make the top 4. Let's just be hopeful. Well, I will bring back Dennis Beckham. Dennis Beckham, because like I said earlier, he's the most intelligent footballer I've ever seen in my lifetime. I will bring him back because he's very intelligent. He can do anything with the ball. My best Arsenal moment was when we went invincible. That was in 2004. I was still very young then. I was in during my university days at Obafemi Awolowo University. Then we went all through the season without losing a game. So in fact, there was a match we almost lost that match to Portsmouth. Then I remember it's they scored first before Arsenal, before we now equalized back. So I think that match we drew 2-2 or 1-1. I couldn't remember, but my best moment was when we went 49 runs unbeaten. My worst Arsenal moment was when when Manchester United robbed us. When they robbed us during our unbeaten season. Even though the Champions League that we lost against Barcelona then wasn't really painful, but that Manchester United match, 49, we are going to the 50th unbeaten game, but that referee robbed us that match, because that penalty that he gave to Wayne Rooney then, that particular moment wasn't the penalty. He just robbed us, and gave the penalty, and Man U took the advantage, and they robbed us and won that match. That was one of my worst moments. Let me say it's my worst moment because I was very sad that day. My advice for all Arsenal fans that they should be patient. They should keep supporting the team. They should always encourage the boys. It's a game of football. You don't expect to win every time. And each time we lose, I don't want to hear they should sack Arteta, they should do this. No, it's not. Let's give him some chance and let him let's keep trusting the process and see what he's gonna do. So that is what I can just tell the fans. They should just keep supporting the team and encouraging the boys. That's it.